If Windows Security opens to a blank screen, refuses to launch, or seems completely broken, don't panic and don't rush to install random antivirus repair tools. In many cases, the underlying Microsoft Defender protection is still running even when the Windows Security app interface has a problem. The safest approach is to work through a few built-in Windows repair steps before making major changes. Most issues can be resolved by restarting services, repairing the app, installing updates, or repairing Windows system files. In this guide, we'll walk through a safe troubleshooting process using only built-in Windows 11 tools. By the end, you'll know how to restore Windows Security without risking additional problems. Restart Windows Security and your PC. Before trying advanced fixes, start with the simplest solution. Close the Windows Security app completely if it's open and restart your computer. Temporary glitches, incomplete updates, or background service issues can sometimes prevent the app from loading correctly. A full restart refreshes Windows processes and may restore normal functionality immediately. Once the PC has restarted, try opening Windows Security again and check whether the problem is resolved. This quick step often fixes issues that appear more serious than they actually are. Open Windows Security through Settings. If the app still won't open normally, try launching it through Windows Settings instead of using Start Search. Open Settings, Privacy and Security, Windows Security, then click Open Windows Security. This method can sometimes bypass shortcuts or start menu issues that interfere with launching the application. Repair or reset Windows Security. If Windows Security continues opening to a blank screen or crashes immediately, try repairing the app. Go to Settings, Greater than Apps Greater than Installed Apps, find Windows Security, and open Advanced Options if available on your system. First select Repair, which attempts to fix the application without removing settings or data. If the issue remains after the repair completes, return to the same menu and choose Reset. Resetting rebuilds the app configuration and often resolves corrupted settings that prevent the interface from loading properly. Check Windows Update. Outdated system files or incomplete updates can sometimes interfere with Windows Security. Open Settings Greater than Windows Update and check for any pending updates. Install all available security patches, cumulative updates, or Defender platform updates, then restart the computer when prompted. Microsoft frequently includes reliability fixes for Windows Security and Microsoft Defender components in regular updates. Run System File Repair. If the app is still not working, Windows system files may be damaged or missing. Open Windows Terminal or Command Prompt as an administrator and run the following command: DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Allow the process to complete before continuing. Next, run. These tools are built into Windows and are often effective at fixing issues that affect system applications like Windows Security. Re-register built-in apps. Advanced step. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, you can consider re-registering built-in Windows apps as an advanced troubleshooting method. This should not be your first fix because it affects Windows app registrations across the system. Use this step only after trying Repair, Reset, Windows Update, and System File repairs. Check for third-party antivirus conflicts. If another antivirus product is installed, Windows Security may behave differently than expected. Some third-party security suites take over antivirus protection and disable portions of Microsoft Defender automatically. Following this order helps restore the app safely while keeping your PC protected throughout the process. If this guide helped you fix Windows Security, be sure to like the video and subscribe to TechFix Guide for more practical Windows 11 troubleshooting tutorials, security tips, and easy-to-follow repair guide. Let us know in the comments which steps solve the problem for you.